And not all the action during Fashion Week is taking place at the 10th at Lincoln Center. Denis is live on the mobile couch in Soho, where Fashion Week festivities will be taking place. Good morning, Alex.
We're so close to Soho, we're actually in the West Village, and Miss Lily's really prides itself on supporting emerging talent from New York City's Caribbean community, one of them being the lovely designer that's here next to me, Nit Ra Sit. So now your fashions are going to be shown tomorrow. Let's see some of the pretty ladies. Explain to me a little bit about your design and your fashion and what's going on.
Sure. We're here tomorrow night supporting Haitian All-StarZ at Miss Lily's radio station, and we're just going to be doing what we usually do, which is bring our culture and our variety to the masses and let everybody see what our company actually does. We're a design studio, and we make fashions, we do patterns, and we're always innovating and trying to make people see new fashions from the Caribbean islands.
And what I love about both Miss Lily's and yourself, you guys give a lot back.
Yes, we do. We make sure that we give proceeds back for us, the Haitian All-StarZ, we make sure that the Haitian community gets back money because there are people still suffering from the earthquake of 2010.
Incredible. And you know, fashion so much more is certainly a slice of the Caribbean here when you walk in with the music. This is one of the owners. Paul is with me. What I love about you guys too, a portion of your proceeds then will help your foundation. Just kind of explain a little bit about that.
Sure. We have the Rock House Foundation working at the west end of Jamaica, and we just finished our 4th school renovation down there, public school renovation. We built a library as well, raised over $2 million so far US to put into the local community down there.
Incredible. So much to do here. Tomorrow from 6 to 8, of course, you can see more of the fashions. So many little trinkets. Excuse me, I bumped you. We've got some records that you can go through, apparel, and of course, DJ Hard Hittin' Harry will be turning tables all night long. So please come out, support the community, and see a little bit of your fashions as well.
That is great, Alex, and that was a good fashion show, too.
It was, yeah, and I love that. There's all these emerging designers. We live in the best city on the planet, at least in my opinion, and you get to see all of these people who are really coming up, so
that's a lot of fun.
Nice, yeah.
Well, we did it again. I can't believe this show just flies by. We covered a lot today. Here are just one of the many things that we learned. There's a new website